we do a little weekend in the life this weekend, you guys. We are just headed over to the boat right now because the Tall Ship Parade is happening today in Boston. So we might take the dinghy out and see if we can see some tall ships. So let's go. That was so nice. I'm so glad we went out there. It is so beautiful. Everyone's out there just like floating around, hanging out on their boats, grilling. So we hung out there for like an hour and a half, but I was worried we were all getting probably a little bit too much sun. None of us had sunscreen on, so we came back over, but our friends just went out to do the same thing. So I think we might meet up with them after when they get back. This is literally from last weekend when I got too much sun, so I need to get like a bigger sun hat, I think, because the lip sunscreen literally just wears off every 15 minutes and like I'm just not reapplying it that often. So I just try and keep this kind of a hat on all the time, but this doesn't really cut it. So I have to get a bigger sun hat. But anyways, yeah, it was so nice. It was just, it's the perfect day in Boston right now and everyone is out on the water. This is Ollie. Ollie the doggy. Ollie the doggy. In fact, get a little toasted, but I think it'll be gone by the morning. We're just going to head back and possibly go on another dinghy ride and then maybe get a drink with my friend, but I do have a very cranky, very tired toddler in the car with me. The toddler's still awake, but successfully in the backpack. Some summer nights are just too nice to care about bedtime, you know? Very glad that we went back out because it was really fun, and actually the toddler did amazing. She when we went there, she was quiet the whole ride there. She was awake, but she was quiet. And then we just hung out at my parents for a little bit and she was playing, perfectly happy. And then we went over, took the dinghy over to my friend's boat, and she started to get a little cranky at the end, but understandably it was like 9:30 at that point. And then popped her in the car, fell right asleep, no crying. So complete success, and it was really nice to see my friends, so I'm glad we went. My office right now is such a disaster, as you can see. Okay, that's on the list for later. We have a very busy day. Also, it's literally 9 in the morning and my toddler's still sleeping, which never ever happens. Obviously, it's because I had her out way too late last night, but it is allowing me a chance to get ready this morning, which I will take. But I do have to wake her up soon because we have kind of a busy day. So we're meeting a big group of my family down at this farm, and there's like supposed to be a very interactive petting zoo situation. I think you can kind of like feed the animals. None of the house chores have been done for the weekend, again, as you can clearly see. I would really like to get an hour or two, would be better, for some work catch-up tasks, computer, desk work, but I'm thinking already that's probably not going to happen until bedtime tonight after my toddler goes to bed, which is fine. That's honestly often when it happens. I recently got the Primally Pure sunscreen. Love this stuff. It is a bit kind of balmy, I would say. Almost feels thick in your hand, but not once you apply it. And yesterday I mixed it with the Saie kind of glowy tan situation, and I liked it, so I think I'm gonna do that again today.
Texas sky so bold, pickup truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky, cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. From Nashville to Austin, down to Louisiana bayou, country roads and honky tonks where my heart is true.
Hey guys, the fit. These are, I'm pretty sure they're literally called the Perfect Mom shorts from Madewell, which is what I was talking about with the Finish Hem go-to jean shorts. And then I just have this like flowy Free People top on that's covering the shoulders because it is supposed to be a high of 90 again. I did the bandana for a little farm moment. I don't know if it's giving like Do-Rag Toby or Free People, but we'll keep it for now. And then I'm just wearing my Birks.
Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky, cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. Back roads and sunsets. Back roads and sunsets.
Whoa, what are those
Driving down these dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so bold, pickup truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets.
From our little farm excursion where all the kiddos went with my cousins, so yeah, everyone really, the kids loved it. I wasn't loving the environment the animals were in or the way that some of the animals were treated. That's the really sad part about life, is that a lot of animals are not in ideal conditions. We were talking about how like I really want to have chickens. I really want to live on a farm basically, but I don't right now, and I live on less than 1/8 of an acre total. I don't know, I really want chickens, but I just feel like I don't have enough space for them. I feel like I should not be a chicken owner if I'm giving them less than ideal conditions. And you will all immediately forget about this conversation if I later get chickens at my house, okay? Land is expensive, okay? Just got home, my toddler fell asleep in the car, so I have to do the dreaded transfer. If my husband transfers her, she won't wake up, but if I transfer her, I'm thinking she's gonna wake up. Every mom knows the peace when you get home in the car and your kids sleep and you're just like, actually I'll just live here now. I guess I should go in, attempt to transfer the child, and start doing the house chores that really needs to be done. Really everything in here is bolting and I need to harvest this stuff, so let's do that. First you're growing radish and I'm pretty sure there's one in here. I'm just not sure if it's ready. Do you think I should pick that? Should I pick it or no? So much kale already in the freezer, but that's okay. You can always eat more kale. But do I pull it, you guys, or do I just trim it? Will it come back? I'm gonna test out just like chopping the top off the spinach and seeing if it comes back, because I should probably plant more spinach for fall when it's way better. It's just so hot right now that greens aren't gonna do well even in the shade. But I do want more greens for the future. I'm not realistically probably gonna replant them, so I'm just gonna compost these for now. Ugh, probably get some volunteer spinach in the compost bin. Guys, what did I just do with my trimmers? Oh, here they are. Okay. Pepper plants over here that aren't doing much. I have a rap ton of snappies I should probably harvest too, but stay focused. Okay, let's do another big chop of that. Don't know if I should do the radish or not. I think we planted more than one radish. So like, do you think I should take one of them out? Oh yeah, we have a field radish. Oh, it's so spiky. Ow. Wait, so fun, you guys. Look at the radish. I've never grown one before. I'm gonna wash it off and have it in a salad. All right, what are we doing with this spinach? I think we have to trim it all. And we gotta trim the tower of snappies. Remember, if you recall, I said one day it would produce snappies. It is certainly producing some snappies. See? Some of these are no doubt past their prime. But my father seems to like them anyways. Or she likes the inside. Out. They're gonna be bad because, again, it's been way too hot. Which also happens every year to me. Cucumbers. I don't know. How does anybody have luck with cucumbers in summer? Probably, honestly, I probably need to start growing them earlier in the year and then pull them earlier, I imagine. But the problem is our frost date is so late, and I didn't think cucumbers were super frost tolerant. Probably more things I should be looking into. See the cucumber. Oh my god. It's genuinely so spiky. I'll Google that. It'll tell me it probably means it's gonna be no good. But okay. Let's look at our cutie garden harvest. Ooh, let's go wash her up. Again, you guys, I'm fading. So we recently got all our upholstery cleaned, like steam cleaned professionally. And I'm just coming to the realization that like, this is your sign. If you have, especially like littles, you do need to do that. And at least annually, if not twice annually. And this, the rug I have in the dining room is a really nice rug. It's 100% wool that my parents gave to me from their old house, but it is so disgustingly stained, and the steam cleaning guy can't do it obviously because it's wool, so he told me I have to take it to one of those drop-off places, which I did find locally, so that's on the list. Has to be done at some point. And then also, I just think I need to call back the maids that they've done a deep clean here once before. I feel like 1 to 2 professional deep cleans of your house is just necessary. On the weekends, surface clean alone takes hours, and then you don't have the energy and time to do like a deeper clean than that. We will do a wipe down of the bathroom, that's next, and then also the last priority pretty much that I think we can have the energy to like make it through, cleaning my office. It needs to be done because I think I'm gonna work from home most of this week, so it needs to be a good space to be productive, and also I need to still do my work tonight. Time for the bathroom people. Biome wipes are doing the hard work in here. Okay, the bathroom is finally done. Time check. Alexa, stop. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:33 p.m.
6:33. And we haven't had any dinner and nothing is in the process of being made. And I'm thinking it sounds like a Chipotle night or something because my husband is still at least a half hour out from golfing. And we just did all this cleaning, so I don't really want to mess up the kitchen, honestly. We also need creamer. This is my video diary to myself. Get creamer for coffee. Okay, what else? Guys, I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna give myself an hour, have my snacks ready to roll.